Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Jamaica Roots TV. Hope you're all doing well today. So it's so exciting. Alex is working on the Williams family project, and as promised, I did say I'm going to come back and update everyone on what is going on. So they have started to flatten the land, so they're trying to level it a bit before the project gets started. So the Williams family must be excited to at least see the ground breaking, and they'll be getting a new home. Remember, the home that they were in, it's in a very bad condition and it's unsafe. Water was coming from the ceiling because the ceiling was not even there. There was a big hole in the ceiling, and it was just unsafe all around. It looks very shabby, right? And they've been living there for years. So I'm sure they're excited as well to see this project get started. So let's look at what they're doing.
Guys, me there. The place I get level so I can work on it. Cause me did kind of pause a day cause some controversy did I go on, so me did say me I go on easy. But now I'm ready for do what me I do now. So yeah, level it out so I can arrange and work there and dig out the foundation and them thing there. So that I go on now. Body there. So everybody I deal with. A long time I don't hear nothing from me. Yeah, I accept some of their requests. One son I like what you say? So I finished my first project and thing like that. So mass up there, sir. And Ricardo. Hello. Eh? Soon, man. Give me a link, you know. Yeah, I get a link, man. Me know, man. You're there foot. So guys, this is a place, isn't it? Body there. And then, yeah. You're safe, man. Alive. Storage material. When the material ready to come on here, come on here. So I eat this now, people. Want to know work done on a link JSR. See it up on the side and the spot.
So guys, the project has started, and I'm sure the Williams family must be excited. You know, that home was in a very poor condition. As you can see, it was really in a bad shape, and when it rains, the water just pours in on them, right? And it's extremely unsafe. So now they'll be getting a home, a proper home, 2-bedroom, two bedrooms. So the young son, 10-year-old, will have his own room, and of course the kitchen and the bathroom. So this is great, Alex. Kudos to you. And we're asking that anyone who's in a position to help, please contact Alex at Doing Good in My Community. Find him on Instagram, Doing Good in My Community. That's his IG handle. So if you put that in, that will just pop up, right? You just put the first word in and usually it pops right up. And for anyone who is able to support this project, to go ahead and do so. In the meantime, we'll be following up on the project and keep you posted. So this project is full speed ahead and we'll be bringing you updates. So remember, you can go on Instagram and search for Alex Doing Good in My Community, and all of his information will be there. So kudos to Alex for taking on this project for the Williams family and getting them into a new home. They've been living in dire conditions for years, and it's a very good thing that you're doing, Alex. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for supporting me, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. See you on the next video. Take care of yourself and others. Bye for now.
Let him alone, man.